Hey busy mamas, I wanted to share with you a flawless foundation beauty hack. It works. I'm so excited. I've seen a lot of professional makeup artists posting about it. I wanted to give it a try for myself. So I'm gonna take you on the journey. Yesterday, I did half of my face with the foundation beauty hack and the other half with just my normal foundation. I wanted to see, will it work? Will it last all day? And will it really give me the results that they say it's gonna give me? So come with me on my journey and let's see how it works. Foundation hack underway. I did this side with the special foundation way, this side without. I love my foundation, so I don't know if I'm gonna see much of a difference. I see a little bit already, first impressions. This is a little better coverage right here. My pores look a little smaller than this side. They look a little bit bigger. So that's good. I'm loving that. A little more of a flawless look. I have a busy day. The kids are at home with the sitter. I'll be running back and forth. So if this holds up today and this side looks better tonight, then we know it worked. So stay tuned. We'll see. Of the day update. Things are looking pretty good. I'm seeing still some dewiness. I do think that this side is slightly more giving me a flawless look. And I've been hustling today. Today's been a busy day. Actually, Brett and I are in the middle of sharing with some of our business partners and sharing with them online, broadcasting online to the rest of them. You guys want to say hi? Everybody say hi. So we're broadcasting live right now. So if you can sweat and be on stage and talk and this thing holds up, man, I like it. All right, we'll see you guys later today. Hey, busy mamas, here we are. Dinner break, came to check on the kids. This is real life. So if my makeup can stay through this, don't Jack, then it can stay through anything. My hair is frizzing out, but my makeup staying flawless, especially on this side. I'm seeing it. All right, got to attend to this. Hey, so here we are. The night is done. It is 10 o'clock at night and I am exhausted. I had to change my clothes and my hair because it was pouring down rain today and it got frizzy, my clothes got wet, so I had to change. Anyways, here are the results. So I would say I like it. I would say it works. This side without the foundation hack is more oily and the pores just seem to be a little more noticeable. Whereas this side still has, some oil, but it's not quite as oily in my opinion. And the pores are still looking a lot smaller. So the foundation I use is really great. And so it's still giving me pretty good coverage, but I'd just say for oil control and for more of a flawless, smooth look that this hack works. So tomorrow I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do I do it? What is the beauty hack? Let me share. So it might seem a little backwards. It might seem a little wonky. It did to me, but I wanted to give it a try before I judged it. I'm glad I did. So try the steps for yourself and tell me what you think. So the first step is moisturize. I always wash my face and moisturize in the morning anyways, so doing this was simple. Moisturize first. Then you prime. I've been using primer for a while. I love it. It gives me great results. That wasn't an issue. But the next step was to use powder. And I was like, under my foundation? That sounds weird. I kind of already have dry skin. So maybe for people with extra oil, they like this. But for me, turns out I loved it. Try it. So then do powder. Then after that, do your makeup setting spray. Now, just do a few mists, let it dry, sit there for a second and let it dry. Then you do your foundation over that. Yeah, over that. I don't know why, but it works. I think because it gives you kind of that flawless look already before you put your foundation on. So I suggest you try it. Tell me what you think. I think it's a great hack and I love it. See y'all soon.